Hello dear followers of Mwalimu Theophil Academy. You are warmly welcome to this session. Here we have a question from trigonometry. It is stated that a rectangular plot of length is 40 meters long. If the length of its diagonal is 50 meters, how wide is the plot? So let's see the solution of this. Here we are told that it is a rectangular plot of length. Now let's take this plot as this one, and the diagonal length D is equal to 50 meters. Now we are asked to find how wide is the plot. Wide mean width, this part, W width. So here we know this is a right triangle. So considering this triangle, this lower triangle, having length and this W which is width, as we have this diagonal length which is hypotenuse to this triangle, and it is a right angled triangle, we may use Pythagoras Theorem to find unknown side. From Pythagoras Theorem, we know that it is a square plus b square is equal to c square. A and b are the two shorter lengths of a right angled triangle, which is this labeled W width and this L, while c is the hypotenuse, this d, which is equal to 50 meters. Now, we may say that our A, we may take this L, which is 40 meters square. We add with the B. Our B is this W square, is equal to C. Our C is the diagonal length, which is the hypotenuse. Now is our D, which is equal to 50 meters. Now we take 50 square. After that, we solve for W. Here, we are going to have W square is equal to, we take this 40 square to the right hand side. As here it is positive, it is subtracted on the opposite side, where it becomes a 50 square minus 40 square. W square, 50 square, we get 2,500. Minus 40 square, we get 1,600. W square will be equal to, we get 900. Now, to get this W, we apply square root both sides, where it becomes W square is equal to 900. We apply square root here to W square and the square root here to 900. As we know, this is a length, so it should be positive. Now, here we are left with the W, and here square root of 900 is 30. As the lengths are given in meters, it is 30 meters. This is the answer. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. So make sure that you subscribe so as to get update when we upload any video in our channel. But don't forget to share. On top of that, I'd like to know from which country are you watching my videos from? Comment below.